Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's America's birthday. Who doesn't love a birthday? I just wrapped up filming in my EC binder. This week, I used Hello Stationery Company. Want to see? Come join me. And here are the stickers I'll be using for this plan with me. It is a specific 4th of July kit from Hello Stationery Company. I got kind of like a mixture of things, so it's not really one whole kit, but I really love it. I did purchase them on my own, and I'm not affiliated whatsoever with Alex and Kayla, although I think they're really cool people. So here is not what I did. Okay, that's confusing, but I want to show you what I did. I planned for a good 10 minutes. Like totally doing somebody else's kind of spread. I wanted everything organized and straight. And then when I got all done with it, I looked at it and I said, who planned this? It wasn't me. It didn't feel like me. I didn't want to be in it. So what did I do? I ripped up all the stickers and started over. So here is the brand new plan with me. The first thing I did was chopped off the sidebar for those hydration stickers, and then I sliced the hydration stickers in their own individual lines. And then I did proceed at the end of the video to put them underneath the bottom 3 shaded boxes. So those will be my hydration stickers for the week. Oh, and I did it again. I cut off the Monday through Sunday little part on that ombre checklist, but I thought it looked great as like a little accent box. Again, I started getting out my scissors, cut up that rope one, that's the wiggly one, and I just thought, let's do something in a triangulation form. That's what usually gets my eye to be happy, is to have things in a triangle form. So it doesn't matter what shape the triangle is, it's just a color thing. It's like an art school color thing. I'll explain later. Anyway, so another full box. I whacked it in half. I thought it would kind of like trail down a little bit on top of those red rope boxes. And I think it looked great as long as I can get it straight. Then I'm going to add my trackers. I do add like a 1/8 header between the trackers, just because I think like one tracker after another tracker after another tracker is like super intense. And not like I'm going to write on those or anything, but it gives the trackers some breathing space. They go, track my vitamins. It's like a lot better in my view, but you do what you want because, whatever. Okay, so the heart check boxes, again, I'm going to start putting them down in random spots. Most of the time I put them in a column, which would be like significant for do this sort of 3 things on the 6th. And then, although those half boxes do work in there as well, you don't have to be asymmetrical about everything, just a few things to trick the eye a little bit into making it not quite so linear, in my view. Then I started adding that blue Monday through Friday. Psych! I changed it to red, and the reason is because blue next to blue would be fine, but let's add a little bit of variety with the red. All right, here we go with those hydration stickers on the bottom, utilizing some space. By planning in this manner, I lose a little bit of space, but if I need to, I make a single sheet that's kind of like a tip-in that I can take in and out of my planner. I put it on a hole punched notebook page, which I'll show you at the end what that looks like. And then I can add those to-do lists if I don't have enough space. Again, I'm just adding header boxes and icon boxes all over the place, just because I know on certain days like Sunday the 7th, I'd like to watch Masterpiece Endeavor, which is one of my favorite shows on PBS. Yes, I'm a 40-year-old dork, and there is the sticker for it. Isn't that little smushy cute? I really don't have a clue what they call him, but he's adorable, just hanging out in my to-do section. I really do kind of try to leave the top part of the top box open and available, and so I don't put very many stickers up there because those are going to be my timed events. I'll have football up there. Again, this is a vacation week for me, so the 3rd through the 6th, I really don't have much going on other than traveling and hanging out. So that's why I've got a little bit of extra stuff on the 4th, 5th, and 6th. I love these weekend banners, but I get sick of them being all together. So again, wielding my scissors in a awesome fashion and splitting up to week and end, and that way it covers more vertical ground. Now I know these little bullet journal type stickers are not included in the 4th of July kit, but I thought it would be really cool to add some of that. They do add a bit of breathing room because there are white with an outline of black, so they kind of highlight things, and then also you can change the ombre box into something that's functional writing on, so it's like a double whammy. And I'm fast forwarding just a little bit because this is the part where I start putting those quarter boxes down that are blank, where I know I have timed events or other things that need to go on. I put those in those extra spaces, add a few detail icon stickers, and voila, the plan with me is put together. I think it's pretty cohesive, even though it's a little asymmetrical. I think it turned out great. Super happy with it. As I finish up some of the writing, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please like and subscribe because we always have fun in our planners, and I just want you to join along with us. Let's get these spreads back in my brand new EC binder, which I am in love with, and I hope to see you next time. Take care and have a fantastic planner day.